This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make bread like in the Bible. Ancient bread was incredibly simple, relying on just a few core ingredients. You typically find flour, water, and a pinch of salt. Leavening often came from natural sources, like a sourdough starter, rather than commercial yeast. Grains such as barley and wheat were ground to create the flour, forming the foundation of this essential food. Leavening in biblical times was quite different from today. Instead of packaged yeast, people often used a piece of fermented dough from a previous batch, similar to a sourdough starter. This allowed wild yeasts to naturally cause the new dough to rise over several hours. Unleavened bread, made simply from flour and water, was also common, especially for quick preparation or religious feasts like Passover. Once the ingredients were gathered, the dough was mixed and kneaded by hand. This was a labor-intensive process, often done in a large trough or on a flat surface, to develop the gluten and give the bread its structure. After kneading, the dough was typically shaped into flat rounds or smaller loaves, ready for the next stage of preparation. Baking methods varied, but common approaches included clay ovens, hot stones, or even directly over open fires. The tanner, a beehive-shaped clay oven, was frequently used, with dough slapped onto its interior walls. Freshly baked bread was a fundamental part of daily life, often served with every meal, symbolizing sustenance and community.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.